welcome back. I'm doing another lash system video for you guys, so let's get right into it. The lashes I'll be using today are from B&Q eyelash extensions in the lengths 9mm to 16mm in the curl C0.7. I never worked with C curl, so this is going to be very fun to try out for the first time. I'll be using these fanning tweezers that I got from VI's lash extensions. You can use any fanning tweezers you have. I'm just going to be using these for my lashes today. I'm going to be using hair glue. If you're a returning subscriber, you would know that I use hair glue, but of course you can use whatever you have on hand. If you don't want to use hair glue, you can use lash adhesive, but personally I just like to use hair glue. I feel like the hold is better, so that's just my preference. For today's look, I'm going to start with the 9mm lashes. I'm going to place that in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to take that 9mm lash and place it at the back of the tray just so it be easier for me to fan the lash. Now I'm going to grab the lashes from the back of the tray and I'm going to fan the lash. Now I'm not the best at fanning, but this is the best I can do. I'm going to dip the lash in the glue and place it right underneath my inner corner lashes. So I'm just getting another lash. I'm going to fan and then dip it in the glue and place it right next to that lash we just placed underneath our eye. And I'm placing these lashes right on my lashes, not on the skin, but just right on the lash. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's not touching the skin. And this is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the lashes. This video is not going to be as detailed as my other lash extension videos, so if you need more explanation, I do have a few tutorials on my page. I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I do my lashes. It's not going to be like a tutorial, so yeah, make sure you guys check those videos out. If you are new to my channel and you are new to lash extensions, then please check those videos out. If I'm not in frame in most of the video, I'm sorry guys. Sometimes I do my lashes and I just totally forget that I'm recording. So if I'm not in frame, then I totally apologize because I literally just forget that I'm recording sometimes. So yeah guys, I'm just going to come in when I feel like I need to come in. I will have all the lengths on top of the screen so you guys can follow along if needed, but yeah, I'm just going to come in later. So enjoy watching. Now starting with 11mm, I'm just going to place that right next to that 9mm we just finished. You want to make sure the base is as skinny as possible when you fan your lash, and this is what it's supposed to look like. Of course it's not the best, but it's the best I can do. Then you just want to place it right underneath your lash, but make sure that you put it on your lashes and not on your skin.
She let me do yours.
I will now be grabbing the 13mm lashes from the lash tray and I will place that right next to the last 11mm we just finished doing. And I'll be starting with the 15 and 16 mm lashes, and I'm going to start with the 15 first and then do the 16 towards the end of my eye. And y'all, I had a lot of trouble with this look today. I don't know, it's because of the tweezers, the glue, I don't know what was going on. I have not did lash extensions in a minute, so that could be it. But yeah, I was really struggling with this look, but it did turn out cute towards the end, so I'm not really too mad. But yeah, and now I'm just starting with the 16 mm lashes. You see me here just putting that 16 right towards the end of my eye. I also made some pre-fans. You see here, I just made some pre-fans of the 16, and I'm going to put that 16 at the outer corner of my eye just so to create that nice classic look. Okay beauties, we are now finished with our lashes. This is how they look. They look so gorgeous. I am in love. I just love how they turn out. And now we're going to start doing our bottom lashes. For the bottom lashes, I'm just going to use this lash adhesive I got from the beauty supply store. I recommend using Kiss or Ardell lash adhesive. For the bottom lashes, I'm going to grab the 9 mm lash. I'm just going to grab the lash straight from the tray. I'm not going to fan them, and place it right on top of my bottom lashes. You can apply as many or as little bottom lashes as you like. It's really up to you, but I'm just going to apply a little bit more because I love full bottom lashes. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I'm sorry if you hear like some noise in the back. It's just my fan. I'm hot. I've been doing this for like 2-3 hours, so don't mind the noise. It's just my fan. But yeah, this is basically the finished look. I am in love, and you know me, I'm not really into short lashes, but this is very, very cute. Like, okay, I'm very much feeling this. I love this. So yeah guys, as I mentioned, I did have some trouble with this whole look. You know, it was just a lot going on, but I made it work. So I really do love how this turned out. Of course, this is giving very much classic volume lash extensions. It's super cute. I just feel like it looks better in person. Like, I don't know, if the camera don't do it justice. I just love how this looks. I literally look like I just left the Lash Tech, like, period. Being your own lash tech, I'm telling you guys, will save you so much money. Now of course, this might not be safe, healthy, whatever, but I've been doing this for a minute and I have not experienced anything like irritation, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, I just love how this looks. It's so cute. It saves you that money if you don't have money to get your lashes done, because I know if like there's some college students out there who are just trying to get by, like, you know, and stuff like this is a really great way to save money. And this is cute. Like, you get the same look for under what, $20. It's literally so affordable and just so worth it. If you guys like this video, if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to turn on that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, comment down below of any other looks you guys are interested in me doing. I love a good little hybrid look, but of course I am open to any other styles you guys want me to do or try. Please comment down below and I will try my hardest to do it for you. But yeah guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye lovelies.